how to fix Valorant bucket loss problem easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do first is just type here device manager, and now go to network adapters. Now right click and update all those drivers here. Update all those drivers, and then turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and try to open Valorant, and you will find that your problem is fixed. But if that doesn't fix it, now just type here background apps. Now turn off the first option here if you want to turn off all those background apps, and then type here services, and now scroll down until you find here VGC, right click and click restart, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and see you in the next video.